Ayidinga lama-initiatives nawo kodwa manje inkinga ukuthi sifinyelele khona nama-logistics athize adingekayo lawa sibambayo-ke e-funding because yonke into esiyenzayo nje for 1 year 3 months nawo siyenza out of our own pockets and ngoba siyasibona isidingo sokuthi iyadingeka le nto semasifika emhlabeni yalingane kwasho ukuthi kuzovela nama-cases e-bullying ukuthi ingane ngempela ziyahlukumezana esikoleni so they actually need these programs.
Okay.
There is something behind the story. Bully. So much the problem. That's why we involve our social workers, community participations, and the South African Police Services. Kona so wazi ukuthi size nane solution singafike sithi nayi inkinga singabi nayo solution khona laba abamakhulu bezokwazi ukuthi baye kunomnyango bayokhuluma ngenkinga zabo so that they can start changing.
Okay, ngiyacabanga ukuthi no abangani bakhe bagqoka iteke elibizayo mina ngingani iteke elile kulethile njalo njalo.
Injalo nje.
Yes.
Yaba-affecta kakhulu mase bedinga bafisa ukufika ey'ndaweni ey'the ukuqhela ngoba asibona abantu abasebenza eThekwini kuphela sifuna ukuhamba siye ko-Newcastle siye ko-Lundi zonke lezi ndawo lo we need to cover them so abangasiza ngawo i-donation yokuthi sifike hayi imali ezoza kwimvelo.
And also namaphepha as well akwazi ukunisiza just to spread the weight as well.
Yeah, naloko futhi ngasiza kakhulu lo.
Yes, ukuze kwazi ukufinyelela lapho.
That is the problem to the same. The only problem to the same is KwaZulu Natal. Yes, what a romantic way.
KwaZulu. KZN or Eastern Cape, we want to go there. We are talking with Eswatini, Arts and Culture Corner. They saw this thing on YouTube. They were like, this is amazing. We also need it. But we all can only do logistics and funding with this class with this feeling that they're on. Substance abuse or teenage pregnancy, and they can't cover that.
Okay. Now let me ask a question about what currently sending the value of about influencers because those people, especially the young, they can get some cooler. I'm at 2K.
Yes.
They really believed in those people because they look like upon their purpose.
What is waiting in there? Because they are influencer. It's a good point. You see, our thing is to stretch the message and the branding. Okwamanje ngoba asifuna ukusebenza nabantu bengaholi. I want to say sayaka lethu siyisebenzela thina sisodwa. We are influencers because we're on TV almost Monday to Friday.
But for those who are interested,
laba ba interested nje manje. Cela ukuthi balinde. I want to ask funding. Asifuna ukuthi sithatha ama-influencer because they're good with social media. The next thing is sebenzela imvelo and then I islinge lo. You know what I mean? So
and they destroy it easily.
Yeah. So we want to work with them. We are to sebenzela abafana abancane onuzalo. They'll tell the message better than we can because they are young and they look like these students. But asifuna ukuthi bafike i-funding engekho. Sifuna ukuthi bafike bazi ukuthi kuyahola la kwimvelo bazowathola amasente basebesebenza.
Wow.
Why we development.
Ngibona noThembu Kosithwala lana waziwa kakhulu ngoMondli Uzalo kwimbelo social development.
Sibingelele balaleli igama kumenzi wakabiyela Treasurer General khona la kwimvelo social development.
Sibingelele balaleli bomlazi FM igama lami nguNemiso Dlamini osebenzisana nemvelo social development.
Wow.
Ama-outreach nama-social ills esibhekene nawo siney'ngane zosisibese ey'funda ey'koleni ey'bhekana nezimo ey'thize sabona ukuthi le nto le izodinga ukuthi sivule i-organization nabafowethu sathi so i-organization to bring all the activities lawa ngasekho ey'koleni ey'ngane ukuthi ithathe ama-drugs because they have too much time. So in the social development wamanje into ebhizingayo sayibullying awareness campaign la esitravelele khona sayembazwana emhlabeni yalingane sayenza naseThekwini now we're going to the South Coast but that's not the only program esoyenza ezimvelo no teenage pregnancy, substance abuse and crime prevention kodwa-ke saqala laphana nge-rehabilitation through art Westfield Correctional Services la siskila khona iy'boshwa lezi esezophuma kwi-youth nako-medium C khona umfana sephumile esebenzisana naye njengoba sihamba nje sithola nge-bullying awareness ekuthiwe aphelele esicikika okwazi ukuthi akhulume ney'muntu ukuthi i-bullying imthathe yamlekaphi and kungani ingadingeki.
Wow, great stuff.
ukuthi ngikhona kwimvelo njengonobhala imvelo isinonyaka mhlawumbe neminyaka ey'ntathu ikhona.
Wow.
Kodwa umsebenzi usuwenzile
Ungaphekwe.
uyababazeka.
Asente ungaphekwe kwalesi sikhathi usukade ikhona le organization.
Kunjalo futhi futhi ngabe kuningi. Maybe I need to put it forward nje ucace straight ukuthi imvelo i-NPC kusho ukuthi ngomthetho ngokwethu asifisi ukuthi senze inzuzo. Kodwa imisebenzi siyenzayo isibiza ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sifinyelele lezi zindawo esifuna ukusebenzela kuzona. Ingakho njengamanje sizikhalela nama-government department, corporate sector ukuthi abasize ayi ukuthi baphe imvelo imali kodwa balethe iy'dingo ezokwazi ukuthi sifinyelele emphakathini.
Ama-resources njalo njalo.
Exactly. Ngoba uma uthi umsakazo uzobusisa izinto ezenzeka emphakathini zisadinga abantu abaphuma emphakathini. Ngoba ibona abaziyo, ibona abavuka ekuseni singekho isinayisi sesinkwa, ibona abashona ilanga lithi liyoshona ibingekho impuphu yokupheka, which is why i-crime ingaka imvelo ithi asikhulumeni nange-crime prevention kodwa sibe realistic, hhayi ukuthi sikwenze kube i-excuse ebafanele ukuthi abawunjotho kodwa sibeke nama-alternatives ukuthi uma ungakwenza ukuthi ilokhu ungawenza.